Hi, this is Gordon Young with Maximum PC. We have some post-CES coverage of this object, which looks like a subwoofer, but it is not actually a subwoofer. This is a new case from Silverstone. Tony from Silverstone is going to let us know what this is called and some features of it. It's pretty neat, though, right? It looks to me like a subwoofer.
And some of the attendees at CES also, commented that it looks like maybe a trash can or a paper shredder. In Japan, we have some people calling this an umbrella basket. But any way you look at it, it doesn't look like a traditional PC, which is what we aim to do initially with the exterior design.
How do you get in this case? I mean, how do you get a Micro ATX motherboard in a case like this?
Well, we've always had the cases since 2008 with motherboard rotated 90 degrees, so all the connectors are facing up. But we've never done anything in the Micro ATX form factor, so this was the first.
Okay.
So naturally, if I open up this top cover, you'll see this is where all the motherboard back IOs are located.
Okay.
In addition to that, we also added a very convenient hot swappable drive cage on top.
Very slick.
Okay. So to open up the case, I can first lift the side panel up here a little bit, and then I can pull out very easily. Okay. So that'll give you a closer look on the inside. So you'll see the Micro ATX motherboard here with the CPU area here. We gave it plenty of space, so you can fit a very large CPU cooler inside. On the left side here, you can also see there's plenty of space for graphics card.
Okay. Can you actually, and as far as power supplies, you can put a standard power supply in here?
Yeah, of course. I'll show you the back side of this case. Same thing, lift and off.
Oh, very slick.
So you can see the power supply cables goes out of this side, where it connects directly to all the hard drive that you may have, and that makes for a very clean cable routing. But
so it looks like it is probably best for a modular power supply, because some standard power supplies, the cables are too thick, probably.
Help, like with any case.
Okay.
Right. And the limitation of the power supply width, I can actually take this front cover off.
Wow.
So that makes it very easy for anyone to assemble a system inside. Okay.
And you have a 1200 watt Strider, so
that's our Strider Gold. So this power supply is about 180 millimeter in length. So that's plenty of options for the power supply.
Sure. So 100. So you can get a 1200 watt power supply, and of course you are running a slot fed optical only or slim drive. Is that 2.5 millimeter? I think.
Yeah, that's a standard notebook slim drive. That's the only compromise you really have to make with this case.
Okay, which isn't too bad these days because you can get Blu-ray,
right.
Pretty fast burners in them.
And because all the air intakes are on the bottom, just like many of the other 90-degree rotated case, we thought we made it the fan filter magnetic.
Okay.
So it's much easier to remove without having to actually fiddle around with screws or clips.
Oh, okay.
It's very easy to put back on without having to take a look. So
slick. Okay.
There we go.
Well, thanks. This is Gordon Young with Maximum PC. We'll talk to you later.